In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open multiple Discord or Slack instances. If you manage communities, handle technical support, or keep track of several workspaces at once, constantly switching between accounts can really interrupt your flow. Since the standard Discord and Slack desktop apps usually keep you limited to a single main window, a much smoother solution is to use a multi-account workspace app such as Rambox or Franz. This gives you a stable way to keep separate accounts organized in one place, and in many cases, even view them in separate windows at the same time. Before you get started, make sure your computer has enough available memory. Running multiple live chat services at once can use a fair amount of system resources, so it's a good idea to close unnecessary browser tabs or background apps first. That will help everything run more smoothly. To begin, open your web browser and go to the official website of a multi-account workspace app such as Rambox or Franz. Once you're there, click the download button that matches your operating system, whether that's Windows or Mac. After the file finishes downloading, open the installer and follow the normal on-screen prompts to complete the installation. When that's done, launch the application. Inside the app, you'll usually see a dashboard or gallery showing supported services. In the search bar, type Slack or Discord, depending on which platform you want to add first. Click the app icon, and a configuration window will appear. Here, you'll want to give this instance a clear label so it's easy to recognize later. For example, you might name it something like work, support, or personal. You can also choose how notifications behave for that specific instance, including badge alerts or sound notifications. Once everything looks right, click Add. Your first app instance will appear on the sidebar rail. Next, if you want to add another account for the same platform, click the plus button to add a new service. Select Slack or Discord again from the app library, then give this second instance a different name so you can tell it apart at a glance. After that, click Add again. You should now see two separate instances of the same app listed in the sidebar. Now it's time to sign in. Click the first instance and log into your first account. Then click the second instance and sign in to your other account. Each one will stay logged in separately, so they won't interfere with each other. If you want to monitor them side by side, right-click an instance in the sidebar and choose the pop-out or open in new window option. Then drag the windows where you want them or snap them side by side on your screen for easier monitoring. That is all. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.